Oh, are you a saber-toothed tiger cub? Are you my baby Wolverine? Are you the princess of Meowtown? Are you just a melting snowman? Are you just a sloth? Because you're a little unicorn kitty cat.
The itty-bitty pretty kitty committee. Capable of dealing with their own life. And if you fit into that on that day, they'll make some time for you maybe. You ready? Nice. Hey. You guys trying to open that? Yeah, let me help you. Meredith is having a very serious day. So much so, she feels she needs to sit in a person chair, upright like a person, and stare off into the distance.